Hello everybody, this is Daniel from 128GB Reviews. In this video we'll take a quick look at the UMIDIGI S2 Pro smartphone. This one, an amazing smartphone from UMIDIGI company. Okay, this is the operating system, Android Nougat 7.0. Let's take a look here in settings, about device, about the phone. So we have UMI operating system based on Android Nougat 7.0, as you can see here. Okay, let's go back. This is the latest firmware version, as you can see. Current version is the latest one. Okay, let's go back. UMI operating system 2.0, and this is the build number. Okay, this firmware version does not have root access. Okay, no root. Let's take a look here in my device for more information. The model S2 Pro, we have an octa-core processor from MediaTek Helio P25. Okay, operating system based on Nougat 7.0. The processor octa-core from MediaTek. We have 6GB of RAM. Okay, we have a very big battery, 5100 milliamperes. Okay, storage 128 internal storage, and this is the micro SD card. Huge amount of storage. Okay, Wi-Fi working very smooth. We have 14 sensors available on board, which is nice. Okay, dual camera on back, fingerprint scanner here, 13 megapixel dual camera and 16 megapixel on front, which is just amazing for a selfie camera. Lots of features available here. Not this one. System application. Okay, let's go further. So we have Google Play Store working just fine. We have gaps, everything at high speed, as you can see here. Just okay. Here on security application from UMIDIGI. Boosting. Okay, or here speed up, the same I guess. Nice. Themes, we can download and change the smartphone theme from here. As you can see, just apply and that's it. Wallpapers, tons of beautiful wallpapers and ringtones to download and use, which is very nice. Okay, camera, very powerful camera, as you can see, and lots of options here. And here too. Okay. Okay, that's it. Music player. Beautiful music player here. System application. Everything is working just nice. We have UMIDIGI application store also. here. all good. Calendar, calculator, and so on. Okay, let's go further. Let's take a look here also in settings. Wi-Fi signal very strong. The Bluetooth also, it's working very good. Okay, that's it. Dual SIM smartphone. We have 6 inches display, very high density. Okay, data usage, more display, mirror vision, lots of options here. Also notification for application, sound, enhancement here, application, storage, 128 internal storage gigabyte. Okay, battery, memory, 6 gigabyte of internal storage. Users, permission tab, LED notification here, eyebrow mode, location, security tab, accounts, anti-theft, Google, cloud service tab here to backup and recover contacts, messages, logs, and so on. Language and input, here you can add all the languages in the world, as you can see, all. Okay, backup and reset tab, date and time, accessibility, printing, developer options, and about the phone. Finally, scheduled power on and off, and about the phone. Okay, octa-core processor, UMIDIGI S2 Pro, 5 inches display, 6 GB of RAM, system, battery, and sensors. Okay, that's it. This is the UMIDIGI S2 Pro smartphone. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.